Hey everybody, I'm Kathy Hester and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to talk about a pressing issue of the season, cherry pitting. Also finding cherries on sale. I found these on sale. This was a pound for $1.99 at Sprouts. I've had a very good luck with getting things randomly at Sprouts this year, but it could be you went to pick them, it could be they had them in the store. Anyhow, a lot of people are daunted by these. It's really just not that hard. So there's three parts to a cherry: the stem part, the yummy outside part, and a pit or seed in the middle. There are different ways you can do this. You can do it with a chopstick. I tried it on these. These are really big, meaty cherries, and it didn't work very well. Okay, so you could do a couple of things. So what I do if I have a pound or more is I just take the stems out first. So I'm just going to do that, just so I don't have to think about them. It's quick, it's easy. It can go in the compost. All right, so what you can see is a bowl full of stemless clean cherries, a bowl full of stems, and a pit for one that I snacked on. Let me show you how we're going to use this cherry pitter. So we're going to put it in here. So it's sitting where that's in the middle, and this little guy is going to come take the cherry pit out. You don't want to actually eat the cherry seeds because they do have some cyanide in them, but they have been used in recipes if you don't crack the seed up for centuries. Read up about that. I don't have a recipe for you. So we'll put it here. And if you notice that you can't see all the way through it, it's possible the cherry did not get pitted. And that happens when you get pitted cherries. See, look, there's one. Okay, so sometimes it looks like it's pitted, but nothing is out. And if I open that up, there's the cherry pit. So I can just take it out manually. That's really all you're gonna do. It seems like a really painful process, but it's really not that bad. I think it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do a pound usually. And see, like again, always check those bottoms, because what's going to happen is if we're going to use some of these cherries to make some ice cream, imagine that, in our Ninja Creami. So I don't want to put something in there that's going to break the machine. And if I was going to freeze these and use them for smoothies, I don't want to hear that horrible pit sound in the Vitamix. And you can just kind of listen, and again, this one didn't come out. And it just doesn't take that much effort. One of the reasons is these cherries are huge and their seeds are huge. So I'm having a few more of these not come through than normal. And I noticed that because I did another pound of them a little while ago. And it'll be interesting because I also got some at Costco that I'll be pitting later and probably putting in the freezer. So it'll be interesting to see if they are also as big. One tip is you're going to have cherry juice from where this happened. And what I want you to do is wipe that juice up immediately so you don't end up with any stains on your counter or ceramics or any place like that. It's not as bad as beets, but cherry juice is pretty hardy. And there you have it, Red Hands pitted cherry. So a pound makes just over 2 cups. Probably once that's pureed, that'll be about 2 cups. So I should be able to use it in 2 pints of ice cream, or if I wanted to make a really rich cherry sorbet, I'll probably use most of those as the base. So thanks, and I hope that helps. Let me know what you're making with your cherries.